Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market continues to show strength today, which is a very good sign. Now, I know everybody wants the greed to return. Everybody wants the 10, 20, 30% daily gains in meme coins and altcoins. But guys, what we have going on right now is still very, very strong activity. Bitcoin is sitting at $107,400 per coin. It has put together 4 full days, 4 green days, and it is once again rolling in on testing all-time highs. This is an excellent sign. Now with that, you've got Shiba Inu coin. And Shiba Inu coin now has 66 trillion reasons not to add a zero. We're going to be talking about it in this video, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I want to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Nami. If you guys haven't seen them yet, this is Cryptonomy turning into Nami now, and they've got some huge backing, some huge support, and they are showing up in huge ways already. Now, this is their X account. If you guys don't follow it, you got links for everything down in the description, but I want to point this out. Nami is already showing up at some of the largest events across the globe. They're currently at the Cannes Lions event. You guys see a huge marketing potential right here, and a lot of people already seeing just how big and how integrated Nami is into the cryptocurrency and finance space. If you're interested in getting, I guess, onto the heartbeat of the Nami ecosystem and the Nami community, make sure to check out their Telegram. These guys are very active here, and they already have 27,112 members. Now, you're going to be able to scroll up through, see everything that they've got going on, all their announcements, and the fun that the community is having with all of Nami. Now, the thing that I like most, these Nami socials are run by the leadership team at Nami. And with upcoming AMA sessions, the team and ambassadors, this is going to be a very bullish signal for strength of what's ahead. Now, I have already bought into Nami, and they have got an incredible opportunity going on right now. You guys can see that I currently own about 293,000 Nami tokens, and if you come down here and use their calculator, 293,000 tokens at the current price is about 17,000 US dollars. As the sale progresses on launch day, this is expected to be roughly 87,000, nearly 88,000 US dollars worth, and that is an incredible opportunity. Now, that's roughly 5x gains on launch day, but of course expectations are much higher than that. And I want to compare it to Nexo. Nexo launched roughly around the same price. It was trading in that 6 to 7 cent range for quite some time, and then in 2021 exploded to nearly $4 per coin. Guys, this is over a 40x increase. And if Nami does anything similar, well, let's just say I'm going to be very happy with my decision to jump in and buy. And I'm actually going to be buying even more. Now, because I believe in Nami and everything that they're doing, I'm going to jump in, and I have got some US dollars, USDT, in my account that is doing nothing at the moment. So let's put it to work. I'm going to go 74,000 USDT into Nami, and I'm going to go ahead, that's roughly 1.2 million Nami tokens. I'm going to buy that. And just that easy, the purchase has been successful. Now, of course, I don't want to buy any more Nami at the moment, so I'm going to go ahead and close that out. And after listing, guys, my tokens, you can come back down to this right here. You can come back down to the calculator, and you can find out that roughly 1.2 million tokens are going to be worth, on launch day, roughly $360,000. Something that I'm extremely excited about and looking forward to. But it doesn't end there. If you guys buy any purchase of Nami tokens, you're going to be able to participate in their prize boxes. Now, there's a little prize box icon down here in the bottom right-hand side of the screen, and when you click on it, it opens up your Nami prize box. Of course, if you open any position in Nami, or of course, if you guys decide to open an interest account, you get the prize box. And with that, all you gotta do is click open. Let's see what it is. I'm actually excited about this. Now, this could be anywhere from $50,000 to $10,000 worth. And I ended up with 833 Nami. This is absolutely incredible. 833 Nami has already been credited to my wallet. And of course, I could buy more Nami to unlock more boxes. So the more you guys buy, the more you do earn there. But I am very excited that these guys are rewarding me even before the token launches. Guys, with Bitcoin ready to break all-time highs, testing levels that we have never seen before, this market is potentially on the brink of explosion. And with that, this could be one of the best opportunities to get into Nami while it is still early. The current round 1 price point is 6 cents. The launch price is going to be 30 cents. And with that comes incredible 5x opportunities. Now, it doesn't end there. Of course, you guys get bonuses for going out there and opening your prize boxes, buying, and so on. But don't forget that you can also stake your Nami for up to 172% APY. Another real opportunity, putting the tools in retail investors' hands to make passive income, to make excellent life-changing decisions this upcoming bull market. Now, a strong pump for Nami is expected. It's backed by facts and fundamentals, and the project is building fast. The community is growing, and of course, this is one of the most promising launches of this cycle. In my opinion, now is the time to be a part of it. So don't forget, guys, you get links for everything down in the description below. I'm excited about this one. I want to know if you're excited about it. Let me know. And don't forget to take advantage of everything Nami has to offer. All right, everybody, make sure to check out Nami. They have a lot of opportunity available. But let's talk about some of the opportunity in Shiba Inu coin right now. It says there's a 66 trillion SHIB wall that now secures Shiba Inu coin's price from collapse below that 1,000 point per coin mark. Shiba Inu coin is showing signs of structural strength that a lot of people did not expect at this stage in the market. Looking at the latest on-chain data from Into the Block, there's a whopping 66 trillion Shiba Inu coin stuck between 900 points per coin and 1,200 points per coin. That level of concentration positioning is like a shield, and for now, it is a strong sign that Shiba Inu coin is unlikely to dip below that range. The sweet spot is obvious. 43.9 trillion SHIB sitting in the green between 900 points per coin and 1,100 points per coin, and another 22 trillion Shiba Inu coin currently at break even around 1,100 to 1,200 points per coin. All of those 66 trillion SHIB basically create a floor. So why does this matter? In crypto, zones with high wallet density tend to create friction. The price does not affect them easily unless a big macro or technical shock forces it. So think about, a huge catalyst that would be necessary to cause a decline. Right now, all of the catalysts are very bullish. We've got institution after institution buying Bitcoin. We've got government after government regulating with clarity and buying Bitcoin. We have got so much bullish opportunity out there and very little bearish opportunity. The bearishness comes from uncertainty. Uncertainty around a, ceasefire that has now been signed. We have got uncertainty surrounding interest rates, which are imminently going to decrease. So the uncertainty is really short term. The longer term, catalysts out there are all posting bullish news. It says, while the market is still a bit volatile, Shiba Inu coin's current holders are in a zone where it is more likely to go up than down, unless something drastic happens in the market. The bigger picture still shows that most Shiba Inu coin holders are in the red, however. This is a new concentration at a lower edge is really important. It puts a limit on how low prices can go before big holders start defending their positions. Now, it's not a guarantee, but in crypto math, 66 trillion SHIB are worth more than words. And I couldn't agree more. Therefore, I continue to buy, I continue to load up, and I continue to stay excited about the crypto market. Guys, if you take a look at it right now, the Fear and Greed Index is bouncing back up. It is straight up and down a level of 50. They call it fear on here, but 50 neutrality, according to CoinMarketCap. And this is, I guess this is a pretty good quantifiable measure of the indecision in the market right now. Traders don't know whether they should be scared. They don't know whether they should be greedy. They don't know if they should be buying or selling. And, well, if you believe in crypto long term, we buy for the long term, right? Let me know what you guys are doing with it all down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.